run Busy application. Since you're using a trial version, Busy will run in demo mode. In the demo mode, you will be allowed to enter voucher for a particular month only. Now create a company by clicking Create Company option in the window and enter the name of the company in the name field. Select country and state where your company is located. Enter financial year beginning from, that is, the year in which you have started your business. Book commencing from, that is, date or month in which you have started your books of accounts. Enter other general information related to your company. Specify why in this field to enable VAT-related transactions in the company, and then specify the TIN number of your company. After this, click the Save button to save the company's information. Now the company is created. And in the next screen, you will be prompted to your super username and password. The super username and password will be used for logging on to the company. Without specifying the correct combination, nobody will be able to log into your company. Put the super username and password in the respective fields and click the Save button. You can configure various options as per your requirement. Looking into the screen, it provides different sections to enable or disable options relating to accounts, inventory and other aspects. You can also enable service tax, excise and other related tags using these options. Once the company is configured, you are now ready to create masters at the time of company creation to create many masters for your convenience. Apart from these, the masters specific to your company can be created using Masters account. To create account master, you can click Account, Add option and enter the name of the party in this data field, name of the account. If you are creating an account for a party, then you can select the group as sundry creditors or debtors. Specify opening balance, if any, and enter other related information for the party like address, TIN number, and so on. And click the Save button to save the account master. Similarly, you can create another account for other parties and banks. Next, you can create an item master for the items in which you deal. Specify the name of the item group, the unit in which all the transactions for the item will be carried on, opening stock if any, and the tax category of the item. Tax category basically specifies the tax rate provided on the item at the time of sale or purchase. After entering these details, click the Save button to save the item master. After creating the required masters, the next step is to enter transactions of the company. First of all, we enter a purchase voucher. In the purchase voucher, select the voucher series. Enter the voucher date, voucher number, and then select the purchase type. Purchase type implies the type of transactions, that is it a tax invoice, retail invoice? Select the required party, select the material center, and select the item which you are purchasing, the quantity of the item and the price. Now apply the required bills sundry voucher. Once again, the other or further information, that is VAT, installation charges or any other thing. Now click the Save button to save the purchase voucher. Here you can see a bill by bill details window in which you can create various bills for the total bill amount. Now you can enter a sale voucher for the sales you have carried out. Like purchase voucher, you can enter the voucher series, voucher date, voucher number, select the sale type, the party to which you are selling the product, the material center from where the goods have been dispatched, item which have been sold, the quantity and price, and again the bill sundry information. After entering this entire information, click the Save button. Again, you will see a bill by bill details window in which you can create a bill for the total amount. Here you can view Print Sales Invoice message box, using which you can print the sales bill voucher or the sales bill. Similarly, you can enter vouchers for the receipts, Enter the voucher series, enter date on which the amount had been received, the party from which you have received the amount, total amount which you have received, and whether you have received this amount in cash or through bank. Here you can see a bill-by-bill adjustment window in which you can adjust this amount to the required bill. Click the Save button. Similarly, you can enter a payment voucher for the payments made by you. Select the party to which you have made the payment. Select the mode, is it cash or through bank in which you have made the payment. Again, you will see a bill-by-bill adjustment window in which you can adjust the amount paid to the required bill. Click the Save button to save the payment voucher. After entering the transactions, the next step is to view a print report. Using display or print menu options, you can view account ledger reports for various parties of your company. You can view account ledger for cash or bank accounts. Once you have viewed the ledger, you can then view the outstanding analysis reports. Outstanding analysis reports basically display the bills receivable, that is the amount receivable from parties, or bills payable, or amounts payable to the parties. You can view stock status of various items using stock status option. You can view trial balance. You can take a backup using backup data option provided. Under company menu, select the company for which you want to take backup and then specify the path where the backup is to be taken. In case your company data gets corrupted at any point of time, you can restore it using data restoration option. Thank you.